get plugged into battle mode. Tonight we're gonna draw a robomutt. Half human face dog, half machine. Robomutt is basically from the future. This guy is Mangy Mutt's robotic form. And to be honest, I'm actually a fan of Mangy Mutt. I actually like the guy. And I'm actually kind of proud to be drawing another Mangy Mutt that's just like him. Here's the robotic flames sticking out of his forehead. They look more like wisps.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
If nautical nonsense be something you wish,
SpongeBob SquarePants!
then drop on the deck and flop like a fish!
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Ready? SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob
Is his
SquarePants!
back?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Alexa, next song.
Hey, all you goobers.
Alexa, next song. Sorry about that. Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song. There we go. Now we're really getting bionic. There we go. That's how you draw robomutt. Awesome. If you want to find out more on how to draw a robotic yokai like this, leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. That's all for now. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.